let's do an apartment tour. So this is my first apartment I lived in for 4 years. I don't know why I started in the kitchen, but this was my kitchen. Didn't love the floors, but this whole apartment was 950 square feet at $3,200 a month, a $6,000 security deposit. And this was my living room. Just was obsessed with these windows, you guys. It's what made me fall in love with the place. And then this was my front door. And what's so cute is this was my mailbox. This is where I retrieved my mail. And then this was the courtyard right outside here. And yeah, the wood floors, everything was amazing. That's a heater straight ahead there. And then this was a closet that was super popular back in the 1930s. It has like a desk in it, so I made it like a workspace for a while. And I had my computer and stuff in there. And then this was a closet. All the closets back in the day were super narrow, so they're not honestly the best, and you can't really see a lot of the clothes that you have, and I never really liked that. But this was my bedroom, and it had a built-in wall AC, so no central AC in this building, but it was still nice. And this was my closet here, and then you go down the hallway. There's a built-in vanity, so this is built in the wall. This is not mine. I loved that. This is where I did my makeup, and I had my vanity mirror. And then this is where I stored all my beauty stuff, all my beauty products, and it just fit really perfectly in there. I made it like custom. It was awesome. And then this was my bathroom. I never used the bathtub because the hot water was very limited. Like I could only take like a 10-minute shower and then it would go cold. But this was my bathroom. This was my shower. All original tile, so they weren't perfect, but I loved it. And I don't love the blue and yellow, but it was still very cute. And then it walked back out into the living room. My baby, I'm going to miss this place so much. It was my everything. Let's do my new apartment. So this is a studio. It's 400 square feet. It's close to my last apartment. It's $1,400 a month with $6,000 security deposit. So big difference here in pricing. This is just like a little nook area, and then it goes into the kitchen. They just redid this kitchen. This is the fridge, obviously, but they just redid the kitchen. It was more old school, more like that 1930s vibe, but they did just put in new cabinets. There's my stove, and the feng shui is it's not the best, but this is a studio apartment. And then it leads back out into the main living room / bedroom. And as you can see, there's a closet in here, but this is kind of like the main wardrobe closet area. It has a built-in vanity, which is really nice. I was kind of looking for that when I was downsizing and wanting to downsize. This is the bathroom. It has that kind of cute old school like tiling, and then I'm just touching the drawers here. This is my closet in here though. This is crazy. I've done so much to it since you guys are seeing this, and I can't wait to show you. But the sliding doors had to go. I stored them, but back out into the living room. This is what I'm working with. That's a heater. So wish me luck on decorating. I'm really excited to take you guys along and show you guys all the things that I want to do to it to make it pretty and decent and livable, but cozy and comfortable. Let me know what you guys think, but let's get into the rest of the vlog. So it's been a few days. I look crazy and so tired because I've been moving, I've been organizing, I've been cleaning, I've been stressed. But it's coming to an end in the sense of moving and going back and forth between two places. I have to do my final walk through my old apartment and see if I get my security deposit back. Fingers crossed. I'll show you guys all the updates that are coming. Should be a good day. We're gonna get stuff done, clean more. Like I said, I have a meeting, 2 meetings, and then at 2 p.m. Dunzo. Can't stop, won't stop. We're on it. Okay, let's see if I have power. Why is there no power? Oh, this is so annoying. I also got my bed. It's the bed sitch. This is everything moved in, by the way, y'all. Just went to Whole Foods. Eggs, cucumber, Parmesan cheese, roasted veggies like red pepper, asparagus, red onion, almost like an egg scramble. Okay, dinner lineup. Kale, broccoli sprouts, cottage cheese, olive oil, balsamic vinaigrette, walnuts, and I'm snacking on just this carrot and some hummus. Yeah. Welcome to Genelle's Home Improvement. I have officially fully moved into my new apartment and there's a lot of work that needs to be done. I'm gonna slowly document my home improvements as I go. The first things first is going to be the bathroom, but I'm also gonna be doing stuff randomly throughout my apartment as well. First things first is some new bedding. Now, I need a new fitted sheet, but I have a regular sheet and then a duvet cover and a duvet. Also many pillows. So this is, I don't know if you can tell, these are the new, I had these pillows, but this is the new pillow casing. It's like an ivory with, I don't know if you can tell, if it's gonna like focus up. There we go. This has like a beautiful little pattern to it, but I just wanted an ivory set with the black trimming. We're gonna put it on my bed. Okay. I also have black silk pillowcases because my makeup, my hair dye, all of that on these. And they're silk and it just is good for your skin. So this is my new bedding. It's really cute, honestly. It has the little, I need to get like a whole little new bed skirt, but this has like the ruffles on the sides of it. And I think it's so cute. Okay, so now the bathroom. So I added my plant. This came from my old apartment. And then I have the basket. I just ordered one of these. I actually like that it has like the billowing on the sides. There was some boring, plain, just square looking ones. And I wanted something that looked cute. I don't know. Shower head that I've always had, I install everywhere I go. It's amazing. It has a filter and just like some vitamin C in it, so it's good for the hair. So there's that. Obviously, I have some major organizing to do. I'm having someone come and help me do that on Wednesday, but we need a shower curtain. So, checking in with you guys on the home improvements. I actually just built this shelf. I should have just showed you guys, but this under the sink situation did not have a shelf, so I just stacked. It did come with another set of shelves, but I wanted this really super high space so I could sneak my little vacuum in and out, my laundry stuff, and just like sprays. I'm actually just using recently to clean some vinegar. This one is like, okay, I would just get regular vinegar and some water. I like to make my own sprays in glass bottles, but these I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna use up some of these sprays and then I'm gonna make my own vinegar and water spray and then just keep them in the glass bottles and just refill them. Vinegar is so cheap to clean with. I will always have window spray. That's important. Garbage bags, OxyClean, because I be staining my clothes. And then I have my kitchen towels. These are like Christmas and spring towels. My grandma passed these down to me and she always would give me like Christmas towels for Christmas. So I keep those. My facial steamer, I would just keep this here because sometimes at night if I ice my face, I then like to steam and then ice my face. I just like the contrast. And I have some planters. I'm gonna go to the plant store today. These are just like little linen bags you put specific items you want to wash in. And then these are a bunch of little glass jars. I like to make my own body lotion and oil, sprays and roll-ons. So that is that. Next thing on the itinerary is I want lighting underneath the cabinets. So I bought magnetic lights. I'll show you. Here's the light. Ooh. I'm a child, okay? And they're dimmable. Hello there. I'm just going to stick these here and boom, baby. Okay. 2 stickies. Like right here. Oh shit. Is that straight? No, it's kind of crooked. So let's look. Oh, did I do this wrong? Stop. Oh. Hell yeah. Yeah, girl. I did that. Okay, let's do the next one. Well, it's stuck. I have lighting in my kitchen. You're about to see something. Hold on. Okay. I want some vitamins. Good morning. Oh, and then you know what? I want a little coffee over here. Purr. I'm killing it today. Da, 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 da. Do you see this? This is so gorgeous. Look at how pretty she is. I love home improvement. I have a little grocery haul. Why did I say it like that? This hopefully will last me the next 10 days. Some vanilla yogurt. This is this brand. I mix it with this, and then I mix it with some probiotic yogurt. My new Whole Foods, I couldn't go to my old one, but my new Whole Foods didn't have a probiotic yogurt that I really wanted. So I'm gonna mix these three. I do 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. It lasts me like 2 days. Half, half, half. So yeah, 2 days. This I keep for a while. This is little kimchi, and it is cabbage, carrots, daikon radish, garlic, ginger, Himalayan salt, cayenne, paprika. It is raw sauerkraut with tons of probiotics. Literally, you guys, this is the best my digestion has ever been in my life. It is not perfect, but this is probably some of the best flow. This is the best digestion I've ever dealt with. Clearly we're all different, so we need to find what works for us, but adding probiotics at least minimally once a day, I try to do 2 times, I think has helped. I also just think eating just really clean. Like, this is probably the most processed my meals get. I got some Parmesan, it's sliced. I like to take a piece out. This hummus, this was hard. This is the only hummus that didn't have some sort of gum in it. Even though gums aren't horrible, they still can affect your gut. This just has garbanzo beans, olive oil, tahini, fresh lemon juice, spices, and salt. Let me tell you though, these groceries were $123. I got some cold brew. This was on sale. I normally don't purchase this. Normally like $15 for this, but it was on sale for like 11. This outlet across my kitchen is not working, and my coffee machine's hooked up to it and I can't move it. So we need some coffee for this week. This is Culture Pop Soda Orange Mango. I wanted to try new flavors of just some like probiotic pops. So orange mango. I'm going to a concert tomorrow night and I haven't been drinking alcohol. I normally like to get the low fat one, but this is the whole milk cottage cheese. I just like the taste of the other one better, even though you shouldn't really be eating like low fat stuff. You should just be eating things as they are with the amount of fat they have in them. I don't see a difference. I just like the taste of the other one better, but this will still work. I love this for breakfast. This I also got a fermented taste of Mexico. It's called a pineapple spice. Maybe I'll drink this tomorrow. This has carbonated water, pineapple juice, concentrated pineapple flavor, agave, black pepper extract, cinnamon extract, and vitamin C. I already opened these. These are the Everybody Eats sea salt chia thins. They literally have just these ingredients. They're so yummy if you dip them in hummus. I got these. These are so expensive. These are like $5 for how many wraps? I don't even know, like 5. But I like to put rice, fermented stuff in it, avocado, and then like I make like a tuna salad and roll it up, and it's so good. Free, so many healthy things in it. Probiotics, protein, it's delicious. I'll do a whole video on new recipes because I also like just regular wraps with like kale, sprouts, tuna. You could even do this with like these with eggs. These just have simple ingredients: almond flour, tapioca starch, water, sea salt, and there is the Xeon gum or something. I got some papaya because there's an enzyme in the papaya that helps you digest anything, just to help your body like work down the food that you're eating, because we love to eat, is so great. I got unsalted butter. I might regret that. More bread and butter pickle chips. I love these with my tuna, in my tuna sandwiches, just eating my tuna. For dessert, I've been really into ice cream. If not, I like some whipping cream with some really dark cherries. I got just some on-the-go almond butter pouches with banana. I'm a big 2-part breakfast girl, so I'll normally like have my cottage cheese, my avocado, my nuts, my eggs to start, and then when I'm grabbing and it's like early afternoon, I grab some almond butter and a banana. Avocado, I've been eating minimal, half of an avocado a day, so this will hopefully last me. I keep freshly washed carrots in my fridge because I like to, after lunch sometimes if I want something sweet, I'll pull out a big carrot that I've washed and I'll just dip it in some hummus, and that crunch, that really hard like bite kind of cures my sweet tooth midday. And then I got some olive oil. I love putting this on my cottage cheese in the morning. I like putting it on vanilla ice cream. It's so good. Olive oil is so good for your skin and your hair, and it's just really healthy and such a beautiful essential that you want to have in your diet. I don't cook with it. This is a low heat oil, so when you heat it up, it reaches a certain point and can become a carcinogen. You don't want to do that. It just doesn't burn well to certain heats. So keep it low heat. Eat it as its temperature. Also, another can of tuna. These cans of tuna are like $5.50. That's crazy. I also purchased an organic baby basil plant. I'm gonna try to keep this alive. I'm normally not the best. I went to the plant store, and what I purchased, the big guy. This is Italian parsley. I'm gonna put it in my window in my pot. I'm making a little herb garden. This is some fresh mint. So I'm gonna plant these tonight before I go to sleep. I'll show you guys. I have a tiny little pot. I'm gonna start putting little pots in my windowsill in my shower because I think it'll be really cute to have plants in there. That's the haul. I'm gonna put everything away and then we're gonna garden.